this is the order we bought from Shopee. Problem is the case is already, I think it's dented or something damaged. Let's see. Oh no! It's broken! Too bad! I ordered this for 2 months and then this happened. Oh, not good. Seller, not good. Courier gave me this kind of damaged thing. We should return this one. Oh no, Shopee. JNT Express. Oh my god, why did you give me this kind of thing? Stressful, problematic, a lot of things to say. Please replace this one, seller. Hope to hear from you soon, very soon.